So I wanted to engrave this Hogwarts house, but for me to engrave it, it needs to be black and white. So let's see how you can do it in a few simple steps. For this I'm going to use Photopea. It's a free website like Photoshop to edit images. Drag and drop the image to edit it. Under Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast, you can edit the image to make it pop more and the lines make clearer. Again, under Image, Adjustments, we can go to Black and White, drag everything to the left and make all the image only black and only white. That way our lines are black and the background is white. Go to Select, Color Range. Usually the default selection is good enough. Press delete on the keyboard to delete all the white background. Use the magic wand to select the background. Right click and invert to select only the image. Now press Image and Crop to crop the image just to the right size. Now go to File, Export, PNG, and you're ready to engrave your new image. If the image is not perfect, like you see here, I will play with the sharpness a bit and the grayscale, but don't play with it too much, and it's better to edit it in Photopea or any other program you have instead of editing it in the software, because this way it can have a bit of problems and it can do not exactly what you want. I hope this helps you, and make sure to subscribe because I'm putting up tips and tricks that I found on the internet and for my own, so you can learn from my mistakes.